Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the file handling process in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, file handling in C program. So we know that file handling is used for storing the data. So every time while running the C program we need to give the inputs. According to the input and program we'll got the output. But some data we can permanently store in the file. Whenever we need, we can retrieve the data, and also the output also can be stored in the file. So for this process we are going for file handling in C program. C supports a number of functions that have the ability to perform the basic file operations. We'll see what are the operations. Naming a file. We can name the file. Opening a file. In order to read the data or write the data, first we need to open a file. Reading data from a file. We can able to read the data from the file. Similarly, writing the data to a file. Once the file is open, we need to close a file. So we can name the file, open the file, we can read or write, then we can close the file. So for that we are having the high level input output functions are available. In order to open, close, read, write and other operation, the IO functions are available. We'll see these IO functions one by one. First one is F open. This F refers the file. Create a new file for use or open a existing file for use. Right? We can create the new file. Otherwise, if the file is already available, that also we can open by using the function F open. F close. Close a file which has been opened for use. Once the file is open, we have to close. F close. Get C. Get C means read a character from a file. Put C. Write a character to a file. Only character. Right? Get C, put C used to read a character or write a character to a file. F printf. We know printf means it will print the data on the monitor. F printf means write a set of data to a file. Right? Normal printf write the print in the monitor. This F printf means write the set of data to a file. Similarly, F scanf. F scanf means it will scan the data from the user through the keyboard. F scanf means read a set of data from a file. Right? So F printf, F scanf refers the file. We can read the data from a file or write the data to a file. Some more functions are available. Get W. Read a integer from a file. We already see get C, put C, that is used for character. Similarly, get W, put W. Read integer from a file. Put W means write an integer to a file. Right. This refers the integer. Earlier one character. Then seek. Set the position to a desired point in the file. Right. Desired position it will set. Either beginning, at the middle, like that. So once you open the file, the current position at the beginning. Once the data is keep on writing the data, the cursor position will be available at the last. So if you want to move the data, we want to move the position from in between or beginning or the end, we can use the seek. The separate detail available for a seek function. In that so many subdivisions are there, that is available in separate video. F tell. Give the current position in the file. Right? So while writing the data one by one, it will write currently at the last position. If you read the data, it will go again somewhere else where we are read. So where the cursor is currently available means we can use the function ftell. So it will give the current position in terms of bytes from the start. It will give the bytes. Then rewind. Set the position to the beginning of the file. Whatever may be, if you want to start from the beginning, you can use the function rewind. So it will set the position at the beginning. Right. So what we have, F open, F close. Opening the file, closing the file. F printf, F scanf. Normally read the data, write the data to a file. Get C, put C refers character. Get W, put W refers integer. Seek means it will set the position. Ftell means current position it will give. Rewind means it will go to the beginning. Now we'll see one example program for this file handling function. Program C program to read name and mark of n number of students and store them in a file. So by file handling, what we are doing, we are going to read the name and mark of n number of students from a file and we are going to store in the file itself. Start the main program, void main, open the brace. First declare the variables. Character name 50. So this refers the name of the student. The number of characters is 50. Integer mark I num. I refers used for loop, num refers number of students. Then clear the screen. Now we can read the data from the user. Enter number of students. Printf enter number of students. So the user will enter the number of students. That is used by scanned by scanf. %d and num. And %d refers integer type. And the number means address of number. The number entered by the user will store in address of number. Now we'll able to know how many students. Number is we read from the user, number of students. Now in order to process the file, first we have to create the file pointer. File star fptr. So this is a file pointer. The file opening, closing, reading, writing, everything possible only after creating the file pointer. Now star fptr is the file pointer. Now we have to open the file. In order to read or write the data, open the file. fptr. Now always we refer the file pointer. Equal to fopen // student.txt is a file name. At // it will store with the name student.txt. W means we are opening the file for writing purpose. If file pointer equal to null, we have to check whether this any error is there. We have to check the null position. Printf error and exit. So thereafter not possible to process if it is null. File pointer is null. Otherwise we can proceed. Now we'll see how to write the data. For I equal to 0, I less than num, I plus plus. We start from 0. This is the number of students. One by one we have to store where incremental, I plus plus. Starting value, condition, final value, in increment. Printf for student / enter name, I plus 1. So what is that for the student? This is percentage means it will refer I plus 1. I is 0, 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. For student 1, here it will print 1. Enter name. So scan of percentage of name. Right? This percentage here refers I value. I value is 0. I plus 1 means 1. So it will read the first student name. Then enter mark. Scan of %d and mark. So it will read the mark. So first student name and mark is read from the user. Now we can write these two data in the print in a file, not a print. Normally we'll print, but here going to print the data in a file. So fprintf. Fprintf, we have to refer the file pointer, fptr. Name, colon. What is the name? %s. Next line, mark equal to %d. Next line. So this %s refers name. Here the name will be printed. %d refers integer type, mark. The mark will be printed one by one. Next line. Name, it will print the name. Go to next line. Mark, it will print the mark. So the same process repeated until number. Suppose the user enter number equal to 5 means 5 times this process will be executed. So all 5 data, name and mark will be stored in the file itself. Right. Once we open the file, we have to close the file. Close fptr. For every operation, we are referring file pointer. Then close the program. Right. So in this video, we discuss the file handling functions available. Fopen, close, read, write. Then we discuss one program, example programs to store the student name and mark of n number of students. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.